Alright fellas, we back. We got my brother's Monte Carlo. Show you what we got going. I'm just assessing, seeing what all parts we need. I'm compiling a list of all the parts I want him to go and start ordering. Let me show y'all. We ain't gonna get all of them at once, but the ones with the lines, that's the ones I want him to focus on getting now. We're gonna start off with like AC belt, power steering belt, alternator belt. We're gonna get a 4-gauge wiring kit for the power and grounds. When I go to rebuild the AC and heater box, we're gonna need the evaporator core, the condenser, the orifice tube, the accumulator, heater core, blower motor resistors. The AC line and hose, I'm gonna make that optional. I'm gonna see if the ones he got on there, if they're in good shape and they can work. We're gonna need a Gbody AC heater box rebuild kit. I got one of the gaskets right here from when I did mine, one of the extra gaskets. But that's the gasket that go on the firewall. And then the kit, it got all the gaskets and stuff to rebuild the box and stuff. So I want him to get that. I want him to get some mil-spec battery terminals like the ones I got on mine. Ring terminal assortment like these right here I have left over for my build. I'm still getting everything set up in my area, guys, so it's gonna be a little chaotic right now. I want them to get the ground straps, the coolant overflow tank, the windshield washer tank. I'm gonna check and see if his windshield washer pump work, but if not, he gonna have to get that. I want him to get the DAP Dynaflex black sealant for the AC box and stuff. Wire loom, vacuum hose, spark plug wires, headers, intake, and an ATM card 650. I'm gonna try to do the old man's garage edition and see how that works out. But I'm gonna go through Rock Auto, get him the specific part numbers, and see where we go from there. But I got my iPad out. I just been starting to take pictures. What we're going for is to clean everything up, make it look real nice, but it's still stock appearance. So I took a lot of pictures of it now to see how it looks and how it need to look when I'm done with it. But he said it wouldn't shift out, and I looked over here and this kick down cable wasn't hooked up, so I hooked that up. I think a couple years back he said it wouldn't shift out, and he hooked it up and it went back to shifting. So I'm gonna see if that solves that problem. Usually I start all the big projects towards like the winter when it cools down and all the bugs and stuff ain't out, because we down here in Alabama, and so it get pretty hot and stuff. So I started mine in October and I got done around like March or May when I did my complete AC rebuild, all that, the wiring and stuff. So right now, when it's still hot outside, we're gonna focus on getting like the knick-knack stuff done. Like I'm gonna call him, and I know he said like when he put it in gear, like it takes off on him. I don't know if it's the throttle cable need to be adjusted or like the carb need to be adjusted on that. But we're gonna sort through all that. And I just wanna go through, make sure, see what all works, what don't work. Fix all the knick-knack stuff like the hood light, clean everything up and stuff. And then when it gets like towards September, October, when all the parts start flying in, coming in, we're gonna break her down. I'm gonna need him to come over and help me take the hood off. I took the hood off myself on my car and I kind of scratched it up on the sides and stuff, but I like to try to do everything myself. So, but on his, we're gonna take special care of it, and I'm gonna get him to come help me take the hood off, and then we're gonna break it down. Right now I'm finna try to get it started. I might try to pull it around the block to see if I can see if that kick down cable solved the shift problem. But we're gonna need a battery hold down. Like I like the mil-spec terminals, I don't like these terminals. We're gonna have to do something about this. We're gonna take them old manifolds off and put some headers on there. And like the AC belt ain't on, we're gonna need one of those. I'm just gonna go and replace all the belts and stuff. I just want to do away with that intake, that carb. I really want to do like a MSD distributor. the MSD box, get some hot ignition in it. It's just a cruiser. It ain't gonna be nothing. We just trying to make it a nice cruiser for now until either he do a 350 swap or he build his LS. We're gonna need a condenser, a parallel flow, because we're gonna have to switch it from R12 to 134A. So I didn't even put that on the list. So he gonna need a conversion kit. What else? And like this big opening right here, I'm gonna try to tell him to take a look at the Goose Performance panels. He make panels to cover all this up. So I'm gonna tell him to take a look at that and stuff. And I just been getting all the leads and stuff cleaned out, trying to get it cleaned up a little bit, assess it a little better. I want to take a look at that vacuum modulator on the transmission too, make sure all that is good. And like the small pump, all that stuff gonna come off. Like EGR, when he changed the intake, we're gonna take that off. And when I do the take the fender off and stuff, we're gonna take the stock harness off, because it really don't need it for what we trying to do. Change the overflow tanks and stuff, and the windshield washer pump is located down there. You see the hose going down there. You gotta take off the wiper motor and stuff to get to it, and then it connects and it goes. See the line here, you see the line, and it goes to the squirters. That's how you squirt your windshield washer fluid. I had to redo my pump and stuff, so that stuff will get done. Do the windshield wiper. It's a lot of stuff, fellas, I'm not gonna lie, but all of it is fairly simple. It just takes time, patience, you know. But we're gonna get it done nice. Just take my time with it. He ain't in no rush, I'm not in no rush. So, and it's in good hands, so. But I'm gonna try to start her up, fellas. So let's see. Give her a couple pumps. Purr like a kitten, fellas. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love them like this. You can't go wrong with stock, man. That's a nice cruiser. I'll let it warm up right quick. I'm gonna open this gate. I'm gonna have to put that air cleaner back on it. But I ain't gonna go far because we got bad connections like that to the alternator, so she's probably not charging that good, so I don't want to get stuck nowhere or nothing. But I do want to test it and see if it'll shift. I don't know if I should or not, but I'm about to. All right, fellas, I'm gonna let it warm up. I'm gonna get this air cleaner on. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I go for a little cruise down the street to see if she shipped out. All right, fellas, I made it back and I got it to ship out. So what it ended up being, the vacuum hose to the vacuum modulator, it was attached to, let me see if I can see it. It was attached to that port right there, if you can see it. That port, let me get around here. Yeah, right there, attached to that port, which is not full manifold vacuum, it's above the throttle blades. So I put it down there and it shifted out. I didn't record on the, I just rode around a block and the windshield was pretty dirty, so it wasn't really nothing to see. But it does shift out. And he do got a built transmission in here, and it shifts pretty hard, so that's good to go. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna start researching all the part numbers and stuff, compile a list, and I'm gonna send him the first part of it so we can go on and start getting parts and stuff ordered. He came over here and I discussed with him what the plans on what I thought what we should go with. We're gonna try to source a 350. I told them to look for a Vortec 350, and we'll just change out the intake. We want to go either TBI or like a Holly fuel injection on it. So just give them the drivability and reliability. You know, you just go out and crank it up. You ain't gotta pat the gas or do none of that stuff. You know, that's the main thing with me. Cause me and my old lady like to cruise, and you know, I can't go out and my car don't start. I needed to start up for her and stuff, and so she can enjoy it too. You know, I can go through stuff like that, but you know, when you got your old lady and kids with you, you don't want them to have to go through all them troubles. So we want fuel injection on it, and a lot of little stuff I told them, like the headers and stuff. We're gonna get the exhaust done. I showed them about all the little belts and little knick-knack stuff I'm gonna do. And we're gonna plan to start breaking it down right when it start getting a little cooler. So I say when the first parts come in, once I know I have like the AC rebuild kit and some of these components, I'm gonna take the fender off, get the hood off, take that out, rebuild it, and just get it cleaned up. And then start on the wiring. And once we locate the motor and stuff, we're gonna pull it and put the other one in there. And we're gonna make it look nice. I was just going around her, man. She nice, fellas. Like I told him, you ain't really gotta do no body work, man. It's just cosmetic stuff. This car is in great fucking shape, fellas. Like, this is how you should want to buy them, man. Like me personally, I wouldn't buy a car that's already been swapped, like LS swapped. You don't know what type of wiring gremlins or stuff like that. Not unless it's from a reputable shop or something, or somebody that you know that you can confirm they work and stuff. But other than that, I like to get them like this and do whatever I want to them. Like if I want to LS swap it, I know all the wires and stuff there. It ain't been hacked up or nothing, fellas. So this how you want to get them, man. She bad, fellas. With the Euro clip, watch how she clean up, fellas. Like I told her, man, I treat her like she mine, man. So whatever I would want to do to her, I'm gonna tell him it might be a little expensive or stuff. We might have to dig into the wallet a little bit more, but that's what part of it to get her done. So this is just the first episode, just a session, assessment of it, getting part numbers and stuff, seeing what all we're gonna do and stuff. So y'all stick around. Next video, we're gonna start taking stuff off and getting to it, fellas. So I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all stay tuned. It's Gbody Media, fellas. Y'all have a great day.